In the year 1986, a new era started in the field of builders hardware industry with the establishment of Manish International, which is now a leading name in exporting best quality architectural hardware to every corner of the world. Located in famous hardware and lock city of Aligarh, quite near to the capital of India, New Delhi. Manish International enjoys the production capacity of more than 25,000 pieces per day, with immensely diversified production process into various types of products and models made of high-grade brass, zinc, aluminum, iron and bronze. Keeping ourselves in line to meet the requirements of the industry, we constantly upgrade our product design process in order to produce new and improved products. A well-equipped tool room enables speedy, accurate and customized development of products. Our production process diligently uses new age automated machines hand in hand with skilled workforce. We have been casting with best quality material through traditional as well as new age hot chamber die casting and forging machine. We use standard machines for lancering, drilling and turning, belt grinding and sandblasting. CNC is also used for specific purposes. For polishing, we use machines like vibration polishing machine and centerless grinding machine with skilled polishers for polishing and buffing of other items. We clean items unexpected material and dust particles through ultrasonic process, having water-based and chemical-based cleaning process. We have varied finishing options including electrophoretic lacquering, spray lacquering, powder coating and electroplating, etc. to provide quality and customized finishes as per the customer's requirement. Strict, stringent and skillful procedures are in place when it comes to assembling and inspection at various levels of manufacturing, so as to remove rejection rate and marking critical points in the production process. In order to provide diverse options, we have specialized in different kinds of packaging like skin, blister, box and Euro pallet, etc. through shockproof and weather resistant material. At Manish International, warehousing adheres to international standards to store finished items. With the state of no compromise on quality, we have applied latest technology in our production process, complying with international standards. Business policy of Manish International is made keeping in mind for 100% client satisfaction. Our approach in business is highly customer-centric to garner customer delightingly. Today, we are counted amongst the most prestigious supplier of hardware components. A team of more than 250 committed individuals are constantly working meticulously in maintaining long-term relationships with our customers with the help of best quality products, that too at most reasonable price. This impression has earned us various clients from all parts of the world. We deservingly hold DNB with best quality standards like 9001-2008, 14001-2004, OHSAS 18001-2007. Environmental consciousness has been the mainstay at Manish International since its inception. We have clean, safe and healthy environment with high efficiency effluent treatment plants and expensive green belt. It is quite evident from the fact that more than 1/3 of the total plant area is conspicuously green. In order to give back to the nature, we have rainwater harvesting in place. Staff and workers here enjoy every viable facility and at the same time ensure of their safety by complete firefighting system installed and other safety measures. Amidst all this, our company also strongly believes in giving back to the society through its constant involvement in CSR, providing free education to the underprivileged children, empowering women through funding in various self-help groups with the help of a renowned NGO, Udan Society, and are also strictly committed to the policy of no child labor. Manish International strives for customer satisfaction through combination of dedicated and preserved team effort and latest technology and designs.